Boy Tech with Jerry. Today I'm gonna show you guys a brief tutorial on how to make a matching thumbnail with your YouTube video. So for new YouTubers, this is kind of confusing to them, but it's quite easy. All you need is your kinemaster, know how to download PNG, and you're all good to go. Okay, now I'm going to go over to kinemaster. So here I am at kinemaster. I've briefed you guys on how to use kinemaster in my previous videos. So I go over here, 16:9. Okay. We know that kinemaster is a video editing software and thumbnail are pictures. So why I'm using kinemaster is that kinemaster has all the features I need. So instead of going to look for an app that has to do with pictures only, I just do my workings on kinemaster, then screenshot what I need from the video. Okay, I go over to my media. I've already downloaded some pictures which I would like to use. I did some thumbnails yesterday. Let me show you guys over here. Okay, these are for some of my previous video. Okay, this says how to read WhatsApp messages without double tick. That's one of my videos. This says how to transfer your girlfriend's chat to your phone. Another one. This says let me crop that over here. Okay, this says how to do away with privacy protection password without stress. Another of my video. This is how to activate Drivers Pro version 5.4.11 without license key. Okay, I did all this thumbnail, and to be sincere, it wasn't hard at all. So all you need to do is know what you're dealing with. I'm going to recreate one of those thumbnails right now. I want you to know this. Note what you're dealing with. Know the kind of background you want to use. Get some of the PNG pictures of what you want to use and stuff like that. Okay, and if you don't understand what I'm saying as we proceed in this video, I'm sure you understand. Okay, now I'm going to go over to my media. I'm going to be creating a thumbnail for, okay, I'll go for Drivers Pro. I'll be creating this. So first of all, I need my background. I don't want my background to be moving, so I just crop it. Yes, over here, make it up to size, then equals so this is my background. It is now stationary. So next I need to do, I want to start putting in my overlays. I need to start putting my PNG pictures and stuff like that. So I can go over here, click on images. I have downloaded some of them and stuff like that. So next, what I need to do is, before I go into this, I need to show you guys how to get PNG. I know most of you won't know what I mean by PNG. Actually, it's like a picture without a background. So when you are like overlaying a picture like that on a video or on another picture, it just crops out only the image you want to see. Okay, to do that, you go over to your browser. I'm using Chrome. Go over to your search bar, then you search. I said I was dealing with Driver Easy, which is an app on Windows. Okay, on the laptop. Okay, driver Easy PNG. search for this before, then you click easy, enter. So to know which video is which picture, which image is PNG, when you click on the image, it should have a white background. When you look at it from this site, it should have a white background. Then when you click on it, the background should change to like a white and black check, but I can see none of these have that. Let me keep looking. Okay, I guess I can't find something like that for driver easy. That's because I deleted the background from the picture I used. Okay, so if you're not able to get a PNG picture, all you need to do is simple, just download. If you know how to use Photoshop, that is no problem for you, because Photoshop does it very simple. But you can do it on your Android phone by downloading background eraser. I'll show you guys that. Well, I'll show you guys an example of a PNG image. Okay, surprise. Surprise. Okay, so now let me just pick surprise face PNG. Okay, look at this picture over here. Let's click on it. We can see that this is not okay. This is a PNG. We just click on that. We'll hold it down. When this pops up, we click on download image. Okay, to know if it's a PNG, from this view the background looks white, but when you click on it, the background changes to like a black and white check, but not really black. Get what I'm saying? So okay, we're going back. But if you were not able to get PNG image for what you want to do, you can always download that image with normal background. Then you go over to, you download what we call background eraser. This is it over here. When you download this, it helps you delete the background of an image. Just impute the image you want to delete the background for. Why don't I do this image? Yes, so just click on this. I'm not really going to do that, so you click on this. It helps you erase the background. Yes, but you need to be careful with this on how you do it. Yes, things like that. Okay, but I'm not going to be doing that. That's not what I'm here to show you guys. So we're going back to kinemaster. Okay, so now going back to what I was doing. Okay, now we have our background. I have my images. Okay, so now I'm going to impute my surprise face. Okay, you can see that this image is without a background. That's because it is a PNG image. Okay, this is like she's surprised. Okay, now I'm going to insert another image. This image I did it myself. This was done myself. You can see that the edges are kind of rough. That's because I use background eraser. Okay, why don't I delete this from my one? Okay, yeah, and I put this over to the edge. Okay, to show people what that I'm actually talking about, driver easy, I will need something to identify driver easy, right? So I already did this in before, so I just reduce the size of that and place it over here to make it look as if she's actually carrying it. the image. Like, wow. So we're done with that. I think this is a good start. Okay, now next thing we need to do is for us to add our text, because people need to know what we're talking about. So now over here I'm going to type how to down how to activate driver easy without a license key. Driver easy pro without a license key version 4 point, okay, let's say 5.4.11. Next, super easy. Okay, now I've done that, I can't just leave my text like this. It's kind of boring. Like, as I said in one of my previous videos, it shows that one is a learner, so we need to change the font. I make use of Bevan. Okay, now it's looking kind of bold. Okay, now I'm going to still looking kind of too bold. Why don't I edit my text? Okay, driver easy pro, I put that here, and okay, and okay, done. How to activate driver easy pro without a license key version. I guess this is an alright thumbnail for a video which talks about license key, how to activate license key without the. So this is just it. So from here now, what I need to do is export. After I export this video, I go over to my gallery, and I save this video. I screenshot this video, then I edit the same video. Edit. This editing, I do this to crop the video, and that is it, guys. Now you have a cool thumbnail to use for your video. How to activate driver easy without a license key version 5.4.11, super easy. So once again, I want to say thank you for watching my video. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for being there when I post a new video. Please stay tuned. Click on that bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. Click on the subscribe button, it helps a lot. And please like my video.